DJ, he takes you in control. So step into this beat now, that beat that makes you move. The movement gives you power, the power to the groove.